I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and this is your quick look at the stories we covered this week that you need to read. INN continued to post content this week from the Precious Metals Summit and the Denver Gold Forum. Highlights include conversations with Frank Holmes, who said that gold could rise as high as $8,000 per ounce without a crisis, and with E.B. Tucker, who correctly predicted gold's increase to $1,500 per ounce earlier this year. Tucker is now predicting a new high for the gold price in 2020 and sees silver reaching $20 per ounce, possibly as early as American Thanksgiving. Gold is currently hovering just above $1,500 per ounce after receiving a boost earlier this week after the US officially launched an impeachment investigation on President Donald Trump. While it rose above $1,530 initially, it quickly fell back down. In cannabis, the major news this week came out of the US, with the House of Representatives approving the SAFE Banking Act. The legislation is designed to protect banking activities for marijuana companies in the country. While those in the space agree that the milestone is significant, experts predicted before the vote that it would not have an immediate positive impact on cannabis stocks. So far, they have been proven correct, with little major share price action in the space. The next step is for the bill to move on to the Senate. INN's tech team attended the Extraordinary Future Conference in Vancouver this week, and content from the show is already coming out. Among others, we spoke with Ryan Irvine of Keystone Financial, who shared his 4 top small-cap picks in the tech space. His favorites are XPEL, Boyd Auto Group, Viemed, and Questor Technology. Stay tuned as we continue to post more interviews from the show. Finally, in the life science space, AzureRx Biopharma saw a major share price drop mid-week. The fall came after the release of Phase 2 clinical trial data for MS-1819 in cystic fibrosis patients with exocrine pancreatic insufficiency. Despite the setback, the company remains optimistic about its next steps, which include meeting with the US Food and Drug Administration to plan for a potential new trial. That's all for this week. Tune in next week when we tell you more about what's going on in the resource, cannabis, tech, and life science spaces. In the meantime, you can follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or click below for our free report or any article mentioned in this video. See you next week.